thankful for Sam, family, and friends. Don't know where I would be without the and animals who have been standing tall beside me.
You can't read it. Let me read it. I can read it. Whatever.
Let me try this one.
Let Chris go at it.
A mentor who inspires me, an instructor who insists. What do you say I do?
Scroll
Oh,
by.
wait now.
I was trying to use the BlackBerry.
Wait now. A mentor.
No, we're not getting it.
Excuse me, who inspires me, an instructor who insists I can do anything, a grandmother who supplies an endless amount of caffeine and chocolate bars, a godson who lights up my life, mother who takes my crap and still stands behind me even through it all.
No.
Well, no, I missed it. A mother who takes my crap and still stands behind me with her visa.
Tow truck.
A dog who has been through it all, and a camera to capture the sweet memories along the way. Oh yeah, and thanks to my terrible job for lighting the fire under my bum and making me willingly study on weekends. Pretty sure that's it. Turkey tomorrow!
What's going on?
Oh, that's so funny. That's too funny, Jillian.